test we're going to look at in this video is the alternating series test. So if we let bk such that k is greater than or equal to some value p be a real sequence, that is, and then we're going to list three qualities of the sequence: non-negative, so formally that means that bk is greater than 0 for all k greater than or equal to p, so every term in the sequence is greater than 0. The second condition is that it's decreasing, so if bk plus 1 is less than or equal to bk for all the bk's, then it's decreasing. And the third and final condition is that bk tends to 0 as k tends to infinity. Then the alternating series and you'll see why we call this the alternating series test now, because an alternating series is a sum from k equals p up to infinity of -1 k plus 1 bk. And so if these, sorry about that, if the three conditions here are all met, then this converges. If we divide by -1, we can also see that the sum from k equals p to infinity of -1 to the k bk converges. This converges too. Right, so let's just think about why this is true. So all the bk's are non-negative, so that means as this oscillates, this does change sign. It's not like minus one of the bk's is going to be a positive number. When k plus 1 is even, we're going to get positive terms, and when k plus 1 is odd, we're going to get negative terms. And because we're decreasing, we're less than or equal to, so the values we're adding and subtracting are never greater than the previous value. And this bk having to tend to 0 means we're not getting a sequence which would technically be decreasing where all the terms are equal to each other, which wouldn't converge. We must have some occasions where we're getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So if you think, when we add on the first term, bk, this starts at some value here. Okay, when we add on the first term, we go some distance here. The next term, well, it has to be less than or equal to, the furthest it can take us is all the way back to here, but it might take us back to here. Then we go a little bit like this, and so on, and we keep bouncing until we find some convergent point. Hopefully that intuitively makes sense. Of course, that's not a proof. That's all we're going to look at for this video. If you've got any questions about this test, let me know in the comments. I'll try to clarify. For now, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.